We'll guide you through how to make pixel blur in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the main project options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Import so you can add media to your project. A file browser window will open, allowing you to locate the video files stored on your computer. Choose the video file you want to use, then click Open to import it into the project. After the video has been successfully imported, go to the Project panel, where all your media files are organized. From the Project panel, drag the video file into the source monitor so you can preview the clip before placing it in the timeline. If needed, trim or select the portion of the video that you want to use so that only the relevant part of the clip will be added to your sequence. Once you have chosen the desired portion, drag the media clip from the source monitor onto the timeline to create a new sequence or place the clip in an existing one. Next, go to the Effects panel, where you can access various visual effects available in Premiere Pro. In the search bar at the top of the Effects panel, type Mosaic to quickly locate the pixelation effect. When the Mosaic effect appears in the results, drag it onto the video layer in the timeline to apply the effect to your clip. After applying the effect, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the Mosaic settings. Scroll down until you find the Mosaic section, where the effect parameters can be modified. If necessary, adjust the horizontal blocks value according to your needs to control the number of pixel blocks displayed horizontally across the video. You can also adjust the vertical blocks value to control the number of pixel blocks vertically. Increasing these values will make the pixel blur effect more detailed with smaller blocks, while lowering the values will create larger and more noticeable pixel blocks. If needed, you can also enable the Sharp Colors option to keep the pixel colors more defined. Review the result in the program monitor to ensure the pixel blur effect appears as expected.